Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so what is the current energy of my Pisces viewers? It seems like you are ready to take action and you are completely aware about your circumstances, your situations, your scenario. It seems like you have done your homework. You are eager to take some action, some solid action on an urgent basis. This could be with regards to your relationship. This could be with regards to your lover, your partner, your person. Perhaps you are being somebody who don't want to wait anymore. You just want to take the actions as fast as you can. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I know. Now I've got this thing. Why you are being so impatient about it? Because your person gives you that feeling of soulmate. Your person gives you the emotions. They must be investing in you emotionally and mentally, and even though they must have not confronted their emotions in front of you, but yes, I feel that they are they have some feelings towards you. Okay, and these feelings are completely genuine. It's not that they have some fake feelings or fake emotions towards you, but yes, they know what they want. All right, and with this Lovers card, they see you as somebody, as a soulmate. They see you as a soulmate. Okay, perhaps you guys have spoken on a lot of things. Okay, gradually they'll be getting this thing, or they've somewhere in their heart and mind, they know that you are the one for them. All right, so this person loves you a lot. If they don't know right now, eventually they will. And perhaps they have not spoken to you, or they have not confronted their emotions in front of you, but still they have given you a lot of hints. Okay, and this is the only reason you are being very impatient. Okay, you want to take action, and it seems like you will take action soon. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy between Pisces and their person? Integrations. See, this is the card for soulmate. This is also the card for twin flame or soulmate, or you can see that there is a yin yang energy. Okay, it is completely a balancing card. Okay, this card has sun and moon, swan and eagle. Okay, black and white, darkness and brightness. So everything is there. So it seems like both of you are talking on or perhaps there is going to be a deep conversation between you and them, and you are trying to understand what this person is all about. They are trying to understand what you are all about. Okay, so it is more knowing phase is going on in your relationship with this person, Pisces. Okay, and somehow you also know that this could be your person, this could be your soulmate, this could be the person with whom you can share your life. All right, and I feel that the feeling is mutual, the emotion is mutual. It's not that it's only you who's putting all the efforts. You are getting the equal efforts from the other person as well. All right, so here are 3 cards. What your person, oh okay, all right. So how your person sees you, what action they are taking right now towards you, and what action they'll be taking towards you in future. So with this card, compromise, they see you as somebody who is compromising on so many things. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who is compromising on your habit. Okay, there you must have so many habits with you. Okay, or you have some old patterns in your life, but now you have started, compromising on certain things. Okay, you feel that if I want to be with this person, if I really love this person, I have to become like this person, I have to act in that manner, right? So you are compromising on a lot of things, and it's not that they are not noticing it. They are noticing your changes, they are noticing how well you are behaving, how well you are, doing the compromises and all that in your daily routine or in your daily life. So they see you as somebody who is very very compromising, and eventually I feel that this is the only quality which they feel is good in you, because you are somebody, being a water sign, you are somebody who can adjust anywhere. Okay, so you are also trying to be, you're just trying to adjust, or you're just trying to understand what mentality this person has. Okay, and slowly you have already given up so many things, and in coming future also, I'm seeing that you will be giving, or you will be giving up so many things. Okay, perhaps the things or habits which you feel that it's not good for you. Okay, the current action from their side towards you is harmony. It seems like their heart chakra and their third eye chakra has been opened now, and these two dolphins are reflecting that there is a divine protection, there is a divine presence in this relationship. All right, they know that you are somebody, and they are, exploring all the best options, or they are exploring your behaviors, they are exploring your moods, they are exploring how good or bad person you are. Okay, they are exploring, and see, it seems like they are also, very 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 much, I mean, they are not somebody who is judging you. All right, they are accepting you the way you are. Okay, so this is something which is a very very good sign. All right, and if I talk about from a future action perspective, with this breakthrough card, I feel that your person is soon, they'll be going to take some solid action towards you. Okay, perhaps, since, I mean, they have not confronted their emotion towards you, but it seems like in future they'll be going to explode in a good manner, explode in, they'll be confronting their emotions in front of you, or you can expect something big from them also. Perhaps they can ask you for marriage also, I don't know, but something is happening, something is going to be there for you, Pisces, in future. All right, it's okay, right? So Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini. All right, we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. We have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Gemini, Libra, we have air sign in this reading. Okay, so yeah, I feel that you guys are dealing with these signs, and yes. Okay, so Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. And thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.